Cavite State University Sikat campus, where excellence, innovation, and dedication shine brightly. We proudly present to you our story, Shine CVSU, sustaining holistic innovation that nurture excellence. At the Cavite State University Sikat campus, we stand by our tagline, Shine CVSU, a testament to our collective pursuit of excellence and the shining achievements of our students and alumni. CVSU is a premier university in historic Cavite, globally recognized for excellence in character development, academics, research, innovation, and sustainable community engagement. To continuously achieve this vision, our mission is to provide excellent, equitable, and relevant educational opportunities in the arts, sciences, and technology through quality instruction and responsive research and development activities. It shall produce professional, skilled, and morally upright individuals for global competitiveness. Our esteemed faculty members are experts in their respective fields, nurturing the minds of our students and guiding them to become the leaders of tomorrow. At the helm of our institution, visionary leaders work tirelessly to ensure that our mission and goals are realized, creating a nurturing environment for growth and excellence. Diversity is celebrated at Cavite State University SICAT campus. Our students come from various walks of life, creating a vibrant community that values unity, understanding, and inclusivity.
The success of our alumni spread across various industries and sectors, a testament to the transformative power of Cavite State University education. As we continue to soar towards greater heights, we invite you to be a part of the shining legacy of Cavite State University SICAT campus. Join us as we strive to illuminate the path towards a brighter future for our community and our nation. Ako si Lauro V. Pascua, Tatak SICAT.